Hey Alberta drivers, thinking about hitting the road with your dog or furry friend? Before you buckle up, let's make sure you're following Alberta's pet driving rules because a cute moment can quickly turn into a $300 fine or worse. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about driving with pets in Alberta, staying safe, and avoiding those costly mistakes. First things first, Alberta's distracted driving laws aren't just for phones. If your dog is loose in your car and distracts you, you could face a $300 fine and 3 demerit points. That's right, even if your pup is being super cute. Keep your pet safe and your driving record clean by using a pet seatbelt, secured harness, or travel crate. Got a pickup truck? Remember, it's illegal in Alberta to let your pet ride loose in an open truck bed. They must be inside a secured crate or properly tethered for their safety. Protect their paws and protect yourself from a ticket. Hot summer days and freezing winters, your car can turn deadly in minutes. Never, ever leave your pet unattended, even with windows cracked. Leaving your dog in extreme temperatures can lead to Animal Protection Act charges in Alberta. Here's your quick Alberta pet travel checklist. Always secure your pet with a seatbelt or crate. Pack water, food, leash, waste bags, and a blanket. Carry up-to-date ID tags and vaccination records. Stop every 2-3 hours for breaks. Stretch those paws. Trust me, safe trips are the best trips. Exploring Alberta's stunning parks? Remember, pets must stay on a leash in national and provincial parks. Protect the wildlife and avoid a fine. Driving with dogs in Alberta can be a blast, as long as it's safe and legal. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with other pet parents. Stay safe, Alberta, and happy travels with your furry friends. We'd like to hear from you. Tell us about your adventure with your pets, and if you have a tip to add on this video, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.